In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator. First, open any browser on your computer and type Get Illustrator in the search bar. Press Enter and click on the first link that appears from the official Adobe website. Once the page opens, you'll see an option for a 7-day free trial for Illustrator. Click on Start Free Trial. Next, you will be shown the available payment plans. Choose the plan that suits you and click on Continue. After that, you'll see a confirmation of the amount you will be charged after the trial ends. Click on Continue. You will be asked to sign in or create an Adobe account. Enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase process. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Download Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on the first link from the official Adobe website. On this page, you'll see an option to download Creative Cloud. Click on it, and the setup file will start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, find the Creative Cloud setup file, and double-click on it. The installation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the installation to complete. Once Creative Cloud is installed, open it and sign in with the same Adobe account used to purchase Illustrator. After signing in, go to the Apps section on the left side of the screen. Find Illustrator in the list of available apps and click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's done, Illustrator will be ready to use, and that's how you can download Adobe Illustrator.